Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to day 4 of reading. So today we're going to continue our topic over sequence. So your learning target today is I can recognize that events and stories happen in a sequence that makes sense. So let's review. So events in a story happen in a sequence that makes sense. So can you eat cookies before you make it? Can you? No, you can't eat cookies before you make it. You have to get all of the ingredients and you have to stir and mix it. Then you have to put it in the oven and then you take them out of the oven and then you have to kind of wait for them to cool down and then you can eat the cookies. All right, so let's practice and apply. So listen to this directions. Are they in a sequence that makes sense? So put on your shoes, put on your socks, go outside. Does that make sense? Is that a good sequence? So do you put on your shoes first and then do you put on your socks and then do you go outside? Think again. What do you do first? Yeah, you put on your socks first, then you put on your shoes, and then you go out. Last, you go outside. All right, let's look at another one. You put cereal in a bowl, you eat, then you pour in some milk. Think about it. Is that right or wrong? I think you put cereal in a bowl, then next you pour in some milk, and then last you eat. Am I right? Yeah, you gotta put the cereal in the bowl. Next you pour in some milk, and then last you eat. All right, so those are some sequences that you will do in order. All right, so now it's your turn, okay? So it says read each group of sentences. Write 1, 2, 3, or 4 in front of each sentence to tell the order in which the events happen. So number 1 says a chick comes out of the egg. 2, then it says the egg hatches. Then this one says the chick grows up to be a hen. And then this one says a hen sits on her egg. So what is number 1? What's number 2? What's number 3? And what's number 4? So you need to tell the order in which the events happen. All right, now let's look at number 2. The corn plants grow tall. It is time to sell the corn. The corn is picked and put in buckets, and corn is planted on a farm. So what happens first, then second, then third, then fourth? All right, so you're putting the numbers in front of each sentence to tell the order in which the events happened. If you have any questions, please let me know.